Approach.
Chromax stop.
Tetugenda kwogera bigambo bingi nga bulijjo tuzze kubategeeza mwenna Kampala mwenna bannayuganda bonna nti konsati ya Lweyiki yasajja kudde takyasobola kugenda Bugogo tebakyalifo kyonna kyasobola kubeeramu okujjako wali abagazi ekololo eya strip nga 7 Ogw'omunaana era konsati tuzze ogyetongoza mu butongole olunaku olwaleero.
Amina.
Mpulira bulungi?
Tukulira taata.
Ekyafaayo nno kibabuulira kigenda kubeera ekololo nga 7 Ogw'omunaana. Abanaalinnya mu bigere bye kasajja katono ne mugenda kawulira ekololo nga 8 nga 7
Kanyomera mitara wa migga
mugenda kutegeera kasajja nti sikakuzannya. Ennaku z'omwezi nga 7 Ogw'omunaana kololo eya strip ebigambo bigenda kubeera bitono nnyo. Ekisinze n'okunsanyusa mu pulesi y'olwaleero kwe kulaba Omega 256
webale
ng'ali ku podium
mwana w'Ekakoba.
Ebigambo bibadde bingi naye sirowooza nti waliwo obutakkaanya wakati wa Tipo ne Lweyiki. Nze ndowooza embeera
Bona baana baffe baana bakkaalo
nawe ogerera mu kontenti
naye namwe temukisusa ene namwe temunsirisa tesikale sigenda kusirika zijaawo nabakanuka malaya yowuyo kimuyisi nze kimuyisi temuntasamira mujjeko amazima
mwana muwala gwe sinaba kutegeera linnya
tugera byange
akasajja Kalweyiki kagenda kuteekawo likodi mugenda kugiraba ate nabagamba sina kyenjogera nekitatuukirira. Essaawa zino ye muyimbi asinga okutunda mu Uganda kirizubaganda ye muyimbi asinga okufolowingibwa omwaka guno n'emyaka egitambudde emabega kataata agenda okuva wabadde paka ku ntikko era kyagenda okukola ekololo mbalayirira abanaagendayo esibe 2 likodi bayinza obutagimenyawo gyagenda okuteekawo
Amina
7 Ogw'omunaana. Sigenda kufuuka mwogezi wa lunaku, ngenda kwebaza abawerekeddeko Tipo Eviction omuyimbi omu ku basinga gospel mu ggwanga wano. Omega ndilooyawo ebisigadde ebyo ngenda kubigayagaya wiiki ejja. Truth
256
wakuba Victoria logireka wansi akasajja kamubuusekambuzeeko kagala nyerinya lintamukamanyi vale music kasajja koli wakabi nnyo yakuba kubuza omuliro Jasmine black woman
kalifata omulabye
ate naye bananyiza ngenda kiteekamu ekigere kubanga y'omu ku bayimbi abasinga okubeera bakabibona ate talabika mwebali kuwerekera Tipo. Ono omusajja simutegedde yani wagambye bitagaddewo
Black boy tears
oyo naye muwulire erinnya
top awe Sam
ayongeremu omuliro aga naga asazeeko naye nga bulijjo
nepulira
nga bwe kiri nti embaga tebula ku musiiwufu atusazeeko wasitwamuyise naye omuyimbi balina omuwerekereza watudde we mbale nyina okutuula wali ayagala nnyo effujjo ayala kukolako effujjo naye tuula ingere oyina akayimba akatambula ennaku zino naye wanvuma nakugoba kanyayimba naye nga bwosazeewo okwerekera mukwano gwo toli mutawaana nawe tujja kuwa tuteekemu ekigere akazindaalo kankazze wa mutwe wake
ate njagala obeera akagambo kamaga olunyankolereero ye
That might be a second.
Hey, okay. It's okay.
Hello guys.
Hello,
How are you doing? Everybody cool. As always, the one and only Ndoza Mwakanda basimanyi pressers are ranges and nakamera kusizibana. Because that's my family. Embarara mumanyi mwanza that's where she did. So if it's Reggie, if it's Tipo, you see Jasmine there. Omega is my sister now. So abanamawire mwena abazamu bali kujja abayimbi all of you protocols up mwena metiba byamwe thank you so much. Reggie sigenda kwogera bingi towetaaga bigambo bingi. You don't need no introduction, and you know what you do what you do the best. So I just wish you the best on that day, guys. Olunaku fena tuli Lugogo, I mean tuli Kololo. Ngenda isawakanga as always nange ndi Lugogo ngajja September tumwerabira, but soka wa muganda wange Reggie Kololo. I've always been there. Ekacheka najja Kacheka Stadium najja. So I mean this is where we are. I'll be there to support you. I wish you the best. Mukulu wa Bitex webalenga nnyo okuvaayo gwomu kubamu abakyaliwo aba promota babuze bannange babuze tubonaabona naye webale nnyo okujjanga coming through for us means a lot. Thank you so much, and yeah, I wish you guys the best. Everybody mwebale kubeerawo muli bangi bannange, this is so beautiful. Mwebale nnyo nnyo nnyo.
Muwe haga. Muwe kahaga.
And especially if we're going to thank you so much for sitting with us, studying with us. You want me to close for this section? Okay, no problem.
Amanya n'eddoboozi kubeera nnyabampita Tipo 256 abamubambita Kakoba Boy. Ndi wano kwongera ku ddoboozi ninga okwongera Hiraka on the coming show in Kololo. It's not going to just be a show, it's going to be more than a show. This man has proved that he's a man of all seasons.
King!
And there's no need for you or to doubt what a man is capable of. I want to take this opportunity to I wrote down some stuff and Alright, I want to thank the bloggers, the influencers, and the media personalities. Muri mukasana kali mukubakuba naye nga musazeemu mbeereremu omusajja wangolo Reggie. Thank you so much. Then behind me we have the beautiful and handsome artists. Abamu kubagenda okubeera ku Kololo Come 7th of August. Njagala mbakubire ku bugalo bannange abalina Yaman. Then I want to also thank our hosts today, Next Media, Omwabikin Kalisa tukwebaza mnonga kutwachira in these premises. Samika TV, NBS, and all the other stations and TV stations are there. Then in a special way, I want to also thank Omwami Abitex Promotions. But then one more time, the Abitex has done it in a special way. Tutosha tumetumalebera omubikulu ebya other regions, but finally he has tapped into the Western market, and that is a sign that Western Uganda music industry is doing something something good. I appreciate Mr. Abitex for organizing this wonderful event. Then in another special way, Indakwebaza Omwami Reggie. Reggie has set a good example. I think you all can believe that. Yeah, he has set a good example. It was for the young generation. He has set the standard and some challenges that if you were to do something or to be successful in our industry as Western Uganda industry, you have to see that benchmark or just how to do better. You shoot for the sky and you may be falling in the clouds. Thank you so much, Kugumano. Then I want to also, we who are coming behind here, the industry has been here before us, and now we are here, and there's going to be an industry after us. Waliwo abali bayimba before, katifa abaliwo, then in future there's going to be abalala abali tujirako. So nsaba tugezeeko okubeera a good example like Reggie has been doing. Let's set the standard so high. Let's do good work. Let's be disciplined. Tukole ebintu ebyamaanyi, and God will be what? Will be our judge. Then finally, but not least, come 7th of August, I'm inviting each and every one of you here, the media personalities, the fans out there at home watching us or listening to us on radio, come to Kololo. Kololo is going to be another history made to be written on Biafayo. Let's be there, like he says, or be no what?
Nowhere.
Be nowhere. And then after that, 24th of October,
Webale tata. Webale tata. Watigamba. Yatigamba.
Kama zekwebaza buli omu wijana. Nyenda gamba omulyango.
It's okay.
So nyenda koso nyakolere wonka.
Yego tata.
Uncle Ray, thank you so much really. Abokutemera umuhanda. Nimpamya yangu benjo muri tukabeta kuza kureba nenga kureba kitukureba. Kurwa bitaro. Thank you so much. Arabishongozi mwana bijahiri izoba. Nyenda kubebaza Uncle Ray. Thank you. Omega. Mweno mbiti msabyana. Ako apetexi. Tiko mayo mpulire. Konkani ya webale. Kana ni wajita vale music kutaka kunyebwa. Yes. Omuntu kukubanza ninjira kusitani Uganda nibwera baze kuza Kololo not so.
Yeah. Sure.
So still tukabona ku kwebaza Reggie abokiti gurum hando. Next time karaze yukijo still maza kwa yaro mujeni Reggie. So thank you so much aba management ya NBS na nimukutereza emekono omuri burinjeru. Karabaske banyuma mufuna interpretation abashobora bataratura. Nimakunda mnonga gacheche ngoza kwashobora two ndabashobora. I love you so much.
Murije mwena, are you guys okay? Amazina ni banyita G-Boy and Kakabare Chigezi and I'm representing. I'm just here to say thank you for doing bold things, and on a special note and a personal one, this guy like a year ago he forced me to go back to music, you know the story. I'd given up and it was like, you still can make it, so I appreciate you. Echokubanza nyenda kubagambira nti industry, I'm so happy that it is getting this far, and some of us, I know most of you have not seen me before, right? And I'm wondering, who is this guy who is seated beside them? Nibanyita G-Boy Nduga Kabare. Kana Yinachi, it's going to be just a day after Lydia Jones meets. It's going to be at Commercial Ground. So on the 7th of August, it will even be my birthday. Mwije Shume tuze Kololo. Tuze Kahi.
Twaza Kololo, chawire.
It should be one love.
Single. If you are asking, thank you so much. Batumwe abishemwe mkamasimwe.
Amina.
Truth 256.
Nsenge.
Mwebale mnonga kwija. Kandi mwebale kwagira chari wanje.
Kingi.
Kandi yongera kubeta ebiro mushanju byo kwa munana sakuba tuhamwe Kololo. Nibeshendeleza na rukundo nyingi. Please come through to spread love, light and blessings. Thank you.
Allow me, but I'm too easy to hanga.
Amina.
I love God by loving people, and I serve God by serving people. Chirungi nyo nakulwalero kubera no celebrating my brother Reggie. Reggie sina bingi bya kumwogera ko. Naye ngendo kola abana Uganda mwe nayo na jemuli. He has given us reasons why we should support him. I remember them days yali atya nnyo okukola concerts nga nakamumiti nga atya nenga mugamba God has favored you, people love you, don't fear, go out there and shine. So today we never raging against Kololo kinsanyusa nnyo ate nga alina abantu abamanyi abamuyimiriddewo buli muntu weena ali ku lugamba raha Western Uganda. You guys are so amazing. Your love, omukwano gwe mulaze abayimbi Katonda yekaya ababa blessing era asaba mwe kubireke engalo ez'amaanyi. You guys mutambula ne muveri kujja kusupporting abantu. That love, I don't believe any of these guys take it for granted. So Kololo, it is just a piece of cake for you, my brother. I know what it means. I did a show Kololo in 2023. Next Media was one of my sponsors. oli mikono mituufu, you have a crazy man, omusajja oyo Abitex nze mulabamu omusajja asobola otomera kyonna, so you're working with the right people. Saba Mukama Katonda ajjuza ekifo ekyo ate nga takijuza bujuza nga bwakijjuza nekiggwa Regi Mukama akuwa ekirooto ekirala tukyalinawo venue nga Namboole ekyannemesezza naye woba onsooseeyo Mukama mulungi. You know, so let's come and support Regi, but remember we're not only supporting Regi, we are supporting Western Uganda. Amen. You have done it before, please come and do it again. Ate ndowooza bwe tunaaveeyo nange ebivulu ngenda mbiwummula ngenda kiwummulira awo ku Serena nga 8 November. We're going to have a one-time experience, so please come and support our brothers. I love you.
Amina.
East African concert. I've done a show in Burundi. I've done like 2 shows in Burundi. But we are believing God, we are doing something in Rwanda. Now we are doing something in Rwanda. Anytime from now, together back to Rwanda. BK Arena. So so we bless God for that.
Good
evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Congratulations, well done. You are putting the stakes up there. I'm just nervous. Thank you so much for coming today. I'm so glad I am here. Kabari is not very near, but you are the king of the West. It doesn't make sense if all of the West is not represented. We are hoping that it will be a success. We are hoping that everything you're doing will be a success. We shall show up for you in ways nobody has ever shown up for their pastor, because we love you so much.
And thank you.
Good evening, my name is Simba GK, the one. Kanina Shamegondo. To see everybody here. I feel home. I see everybody from home. Everybody Krisha, everybody Kunda Regi, everybody Kunda Western Ugandan music. Everybody Kutukunda. We are who we are because you exist. Tenda kusima na ba fans ba Regi, ba fans vitu. Ahabo kutukunda, ahabo kukunda music here. Nanabeshonga bamshachika remix na Muhammad Singh. Na n'abantu mwena namwe bari munonga okukunda twena nasigani Simba Nimbeta nimwisha tumahagire abentandikiro next person could be me, could be Kacheche, could be Lydia Jasmine, you never know. Mwe bari munonga, mwe bari kuchi.
Mazana niraka niraka Black Materials. Ndio mwa hawajuzi aho byafaira kuzana ugenge ngora tara yakafukwana soka tulike kwa. Thank you very much.
Protocol observed. Nimbara Samuena. Thank you so much for coming out today. Nimbelaza Okwisha for Regi. And specifically, in I've wanted to do this for a long time, but I keep forgetting. In a faces from home, the influencers I'm talking about, Kalian, as not only here, Konka, when I had a show, was a show at Tipo, when Simba GK has a show. So thank you so much, you guys. We don't take you. Thank you so much, Next Media, for always supporting us. And so I call upon my Omega Bites Mwena Humodini Beta Ebero Mshajwe kwa Mnana, you come out for Regi, and then my sister Lydia Jasmine na Wemwije Muhajire. Tipo has a concert as well. Ebero na biyewe. Abina. 24th October, yeah. So Mwije Muhajire na my brother Tipo.
Kacheka direct.
Kacheko.
Yeah.
I'm so proud.
Kacheka direct.
Respect elders during day and at night.
Ay.
Nasanga. Nasanga.
Mkame Khalifa Aganaga na kama representing Khalifa Aganaga piwa kumwe wadagalo mangewaka kwa nesi yebuye dinendongo yange anzize kusupportinga my brother anatandika okuyimba way back 2012 Rage twali mu timing yemu ende mbalala show abeerako omusanganga so zamwe fan of music omuntu yenna akola music omulungi musupportinga ate muyimbi munnange musupportinga twagenda ebyo ki parliament waffe copyright bankolerera bayimbi bannange so tuwaba nsonga lwaki Uganda nga bategesa omukolo nemba nasobola kumubeererawo kino kyaffe kyaba Uganda ekyanange njabba nkirimu nange nategese nasanga festival 1st August Reserve Forest Resort basaba mujye mumubagire ate tuwagire Muganda waffe Uncle Abitex simanyi kyenakukola ekiri awo ekinene ennyo naye kinsonyiwe sitamanyisa abantu tukola ensobi naye webanga nsobi eri awo nnene bino bye bankola bansikesike ndi sita ndi musajja waka
oli top
omuyisaamu eggaali mu mbeera bweti
oli top
ndi muyimbi ndi musajja mukulu ndi MP ndi mukulembeze nina abaana nina family tompisaamu maaso bwotyo
balina okuwa respect ate oli legend
mbazize muganda wange mukwatireko mumwagala nnyo abayimbi nga twelwanisa tuddeeno twawulemu abaganda abanyankole bikikati ekyokukikola ekyo ate ekyo ne bagenda gijja ku muganda waffe ate bagize ku fight Khalifa bamuganda kitegeera so baganda bange twewe ekitiibwa
amina taata
bwe mba nina kyennakola nsonyiwa naye nga nze kimanyi siina kyenakola ki
kyewakola
kiri awo kinene I'm sorry for okukola bino byonna naye nze nze kuwagira muganda waffe nkyetubawagire ejja Jasmine alina ekivulu
neti Paulo
obeera n'abagagga bana nawufuka mugagga wakumeka wakutaano fena tugagawale fena buli omu musimuno buli omu alina omugabo omugagga yitse ekisimu kiri pasita nibye so yeah I wish you the best my brother. Yeah, I just wish you the best. We were representing atulaze ne regional artists walinga wano tuyo muyimbi w'embalala nga tulina talent ulina ne wana abali Kampala kusinga nati ng'eriyoka so muyimbi bwajja naye so tusaba buwagizi bwamwe nakye